Hi guys! Good morning and welcome to the vlog and happy Wednesday, dear. Is it Wednesday today?
Wednesday all day.
Ayan. Kung matutuloy, Wednesday. So, kahapon pumunta dito si Ma'am Sally sa bahay. Nag-pick up siya ng dried fish. And dinalhan niya ako nitong freshly baked na pandesal with cheese. So, ito yung ipapartner ko sa coffee. Actually, nakapag-coffee na ako kanina. Malapit na nga mabugnaw yung coffee ko. Every time talaga nagko-coffee ako, no, I cannot finish it right away. Nakakailang init ako, nakakailang dugang ako ng coffee. Today's agenda, guys, is siguro magha-harvest ako ng other mangoes kasi some of you guys are asking for mangoes. So, isasama ko siya doon sa shipping na malong at saka sa shipping ng dried fish. And after that, maglilinis tayo ng yard natin kasi ang daming mga nahulog na mga mangga. Lots of mango falling on the ground. Mango, mango falling down, falling down, falling down. Ayan. So, initin ko lang itong ating pandesal, guys. Siguro mga 30 seconds lang para hindi naman mapasok yung baba natin. Thank you so much again, Ma'am Sally. Ha? May cruise sila mamaya sa Italy, Croatia. We've never been there. Georgia, Croatia, Italy. Italy only. Many times sa Italy. Pero gusto kong marating yung mga Croatia, mga Georgia. Siguro sa birthday ko. Birthday ko is next month na, September. Wala pa kaming plano ni John actually, pero hindi ko sure kung baka uuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Oo, kasi parang last year dito ata ako na. So this time, sa Pilipinas naman, kasama ang aking family, especially si Papa. Ayan, so sa mga nagtatanong pala ng update sa Papa ko guys, same pa din naman guys ang update sa aking Papa. Walang pinagbago, he's not getting better and he's not getting worse naman, which is very okay. And buti na lang talaga nakinig kami sa payo ng iba na hindi na talaga siya ipa-surgery guys kasi, well actually ayaw naman ng Papa ko na magpa-surgery siya, no? Pero based kasi sa mga nalaman namin na kapag na-surgery yung isang tao parang hindi kinakaya, especially sa age ng isang tao. Sa kay Papa kasi is 64 na siya eh. Medyo baka hindi daw kakayanin ng kanyang katawan kaya buti na lang hindi namin siya napa-surgery. Actually ako personally gusto ko, no? Kasi sino ba naman ang anak, 'di ba, na hindi tutulong sa kanyang magulang. Ako personally gusto ko pero si Papa kasi ang ayaw niya na talaga. So nirerespeto din namin ang kanyang desisyon. This one is very fluffy, dear.
Very.
Ayan oh. So
Maybe better than the ones in the province.
totoo naman talaga. At saka sometimes kasi when you reheat the bread, dear, it becomes hard.
Yeah.
This one kasi is less than 30 seconds lang ginawa ko yan. Ang sarap niya talaga. Ito yung masarap i-partner sa mga pancit canton. Picturean ko nga ito. Praying for your dad. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sally. Ayan, nag-message pala siya sa akin. Pipicturean ko itong iyong bread at ipapakita ko sa iyo. I love your pa-order. Siguro magpapagawa tayo kay Jan nito. Last time gumawa si Jan ng malunggay pandesal eh. Dear no, last time you made malunggay pandesal last time. Itatry din natin mamaya pupunta doon sa Mexican store kasi di ba nabanggit ko kahapon na itry natin na magbenta ng star fruits and see if bibilhin ba nila. Bibilhin nila yan mga $1 each lang or 50 cents each, dear. You said?
50 cents each?
The star fruits if we sell it.
Probably.
And they're selling it in the store for $2.99 each or $3 each. Imagine, magkano na ngayon times 61 na, di ba? So, nasa 180 pesos. Isang piraso na star fruit lang yan. Nagtanong kahapon si Ma'am Sally kasi binigyan ko din siya eh. Konti lang yung kinuha niya, 3 piraso lang ata. Sabi niya, wala bang nagnanakaw ng ano dito, star fruits kasi wala kami dito, di ba? Sabi ko wala. Parang ayaw ng mga tao ng star fruit. Eh, malapit lang siya sa kalsada eh. Yung puno, malapit lang sa kalsada. So, posible talaga na may magnakaw. Pero last time, may nakita kami na nagnakaw dito sa ano namin, sa may alley, dito sa may yung avocado kasi namin na isa nasa bandang may ano namin, alley sa may bakod, no? Tapos parang half ng avocado na yan, guys, is nasa labas ng bakod. So technically, parang pagmamay-ari, hindi na namin siya pagmamay-ari, 'di ba? So minsan may mga dumadaan na nagdadala ng panungkit, tapos nagdadala ng basket, nagdadala ng sako, doon nila. One time nga may nahuli si Jan eh. Good morning, dear.
Hi, good morning. It's for breakfast.
You're hungry? You didn't eat last night, no?
Just a little bit of soup.
Hindi kasi yan kumain si Jan kasi masama yung pakiramdam niya. Ngayon, alas 6 pa lang, 6:34, ayan, as you can see, nag-crave na kaagad siya. Nag-crave siya ng pork chop.
Eggs and pork chop.
Ah, okay.
No rice.
No rice, okay. Ito yung secret recipe ni Jan. Secret seasoning.
Secret seasoning.
It's not secret anymore.
It's not a secret.
Pero okay, we will teach you how to do that, guys, ha? Pag naubos natin ito, it's really easy. It's like garlic powder. What
onion
else?
powder. The secret. What makes it so good? It's not the secret. It's the dried shallots.
Ah, okay.
But you have to get those from Amazon
Which is
or
not sure if it's still available, ha? Kasi,
restaurant.
ito siya, guys. This is the brand that we recommend, Harmony House Foods Dehydrated Shallots. All you have to do is to it's already dried. So, you'll just grind it or no?
No, it sometimes needs a little extra. I dry it a little more. If it's a little wet, it doesn't blend well.
Ah, so you put in the oven, right?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Set it and forget it.
Ayan. So, nag-live ako kanina sa TikTok. Wala namang masyadong bumili, guys, ng electric fan. Kaya, tinigil ko na yung aking kahibangan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. 168 lang kasi ito, guys. Pag bibilhin mo. Not sure if makakapaglagay ako ng link dito. Pero yung makakapagbili lang nito is mga taga-Pinas lang po. So, sobrang ganda talaga ng mini turbo fan na ito. Papadala lang muna ako ng pera doon sa isa naming kamag-anak kasi nag-a-apply daw yung kanyang anak doon sa Manila. So, bibigyan natin ng kaunting blessings natin, guys. Ako naman is nag-share ako ng blessings. Hindi ako nagpapahiram, guys. Nag-share lang ako ng blessings kasi ako din kasi mismo is marami din akong mga obligasyon eh. No? At saka ayoko na magpahiram kasi pagdating ng panahon baka hindi ako mabayaran. Hindi sasakit ang loob ko. So, ito magsasend ako sa kanya ng kaunti. Ayan. Every time nag-share naman talaga ako ng blessings ko. Pag may sobra lang ako na blessings, yun. Sa totoo lang talaga, guys, wala akong extra ngayon. It's because ang dami naming mga pinagawa. For example, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Ang kalagayan ng papa ko.
Marinade. It's gonna be soy sauce. Calamansi. And a little bit of Worcestershire. Very tasty. What time do our visitors come today?
I'm not really sure. She didn't even say she will come here
Oh.
in the house. Because they have an appointment. They have a beauty regimen. David's Beauty. Alam mo, itong kaibigan ko, meron akong kaibigan dito ha, mas malala pa siya kaysa sa kaibigan ko na babae na magpaganda. Lalaki siya ha, he goes to Thailand para magpa-beauty, magpa-botox. He's already like 60 plus. And grabe talaga ang kanyang ang kanyang, what do you call that guys? Maintenance when it comes to beauty and wellness. Talagang nagpapalagay pa siya ng hair transplant, tapos all the beauty regimen ginagawa niya. Mas matagal pa daw siya maglagay ng mga kolorete sa kanyang mukha kaysa sa kanyang asawa. May mga lalaki talaga na ganyan, no? But it doesn't mean that they are bayot, 'di ba? It doesn't mean that when you do something on your body or face like that, you're gay or something. Because a lot of people will say, oh, you're gay. Like that. But really, it's your preference. You want to look good, no? So, maglagay ka talaga ng mga you spend your money. Mayroon kang money. Di ba yung ibang mga artista nga, di ba? Nagpapaganda sila, nagpapakinis sila kasi para magkaroon sila ng project. Pero sa case naman kasi sa bana ng aking friend, guys, is mayaman naman sila. Kwartahan ba? So, it doesn't matter.
Jealous because you're pampered.
Oo. Nagpapamassage every time kasi alam ko kasi yung massage sa Thailand, meron kasi yan silang property din sa Thailand. Every time na pumupunta doon, sobrang mura daw talaga ng massage. Kung sa Pilipinas makakapag-massage na ng 500, 700, 1,000. Doon daw talaga parang 300, wala pang 500. Makakapagpamassage ka na. Extra pa in Thailand with extra service. Good morning. Good morning, Midnight. How was your sleep last night? How was your sleep last night? Was it good? Si Daddy John ay nasa labas at nag-turn on ng grill. Kasi mag-grill ako. So pretty. Pretty little kitty. Yeah. Pretty little kitty. La 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 la. Harvest ako ngayon ng mangga, guys. I think i-harvest ko na yun lahat. Kasi konti na lang naman Try natin doon sa Atop mamaya, guys. Kasi minsan, nandoon sila
Province. Midnight. Hi.
Looks like we're still in the Philippines. Look at that tanglad. So happy.
Very happy on the ground.
Ayan
We don't use it that much, do we?
Later. Tinola. Kalakas ng dalugdog. Pag-harvest ako mamaya, I'm gonna... you trim it. Okay, that's good. Gitrim ni Jan yung malunggay.
Yeah, it's all seeds.
Ayan
It's a lot of trimming to do.
Hala, I think I can give this instead.
The seeds?
Yeah. Because she was asking for a branch. But I think I can give the seeds.
Send the seeds.
Ayan. Gipruning lang ni Jan. Ito yung isasagol natin mamaya sa ating tinola. And I think I can see few mangoes, maybe 10 or so. So ipapadala natin yung iba. Ayan I think lots hiding lang, no? Oo. Siguro I think I need some ladder.
One there.
Yeah. I think I need some ladder.
There.
No, I think I'm gonna climb up and then you're gonna catch. Maaga pa lang ay uulan na sa Amerika. So parang nasa Pilipinas din, ganito din. Minsan umaga pa lang, uulan na, masama na ang panahon. Ayan na, marinate na ni Jan itong ating pork chop. Pork chop for
savory.
breakfast, baliktad.
Savory pork chop for breakfast.
So usually ang breakfast namin, guys, is avocado, toasted bread, and sometimes yogurt, and egg. Pero this time is different kasi nag-crave si Jan kasi hindi siya nag-dinner last night. Only soup and a little bit of rice. So ngayon, nag-crave siya ng heavy meal. Ayan. Hi! Hi, Province! Hello there! Oh, hi! Hi, Kitty Province! Oh, you're not listening to me. You're playing like you didn't hear me.
Province?
Hi, Midnight! Come here! Mm-hmm.
They're happy we're back.
Yes, definitely.
By the door all the time.
All the time.
Before I look at the cameras, there's no cats.
No cats. Mm-hmm. Now, very clingy.
Yep. Everything that's on the ground needs to go to the street.
I can put it now?
If you feel like it.
Okay. Kasi wala naman akong ginagawa eh. So, dalhin ko na siya doon sa street. You already have started there?
I started.
Okay.
Yes.
Hala, parang nagkikidlat ba?
I got tired.
Natatakot ako. Is it, ano? Okay.
Lots of teeth.
I thought it's spiky.
No,
Hala, it's raining na?
could be itchy.
Ayan. Dito sa Amerika, walang katulong. Kami-kami lang ni Jan ang nagtutulungan dito. Kaya nga siguro, kapag kapupunta dito yung aking kapatid, mas mababawasan yung trabaho namin. And ako makakapag-focus ako sa pagbablog ko kasi full-time ano ko na talaga yung vlogging eh. Ayan, dito lang natin tatapukin guys. Ay, nagkalat lagi ito ay. Hala, sino ang nagkalat nito? Ayan oh. Ano na ni Jan yan dito sa gilid? Kinalat. Pinaglaruan siguro ito ng bata or something. Ayan. So habang nagluluto si Jan doon ng breakfast namin is ako naman dito. Kasi mahirap ito mamaya eh. Kapag kukunin ito ng mga garbage truck, mahirapan sila nito. Sino kaya ang nagbinuang yan? Ayan. Hi Province! Marami na naman tayong buko dito guys. 1, 2, 3 kapungpong. Ayan, makapuno. Magtitinola tayo mamaya kasi sobrang dami natin na papaya. Siguro dinner. Maybe for dinner guys. Ayan. I'll turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
See, you have followers. You have followers.
My followers now.
The yogurt is ready. Could be a couple fried eggs. Like them. The only reason is because the camera's flying. I like to baste the eggs. You got a little hot water there.
Breakfast time! Nagluto si Jan ng basted egg and pork chop. Ayun, no? Start. But we'll see. Maybe I'll be surprised. Wow.
Sarap.
I think you can also mix the Maggi. The Maggi, it's flavorful.
Salty.
Wow. That is off the chain. Off the chain. Off the chart. Off the charts. That seasoning there is really a record breaking. Kung ano lang sinabi, no?
I think it's the extra calamansi.
I think so too. Calamansi is really a big help.
Because I cleaned the tree one time. It just froze the juice. Now, finally.
Use it. Wow.
Everything works together.
And the meat is not that hard.
No, the meat's okay. I can tell when I take it out of the pack.
Oh wow. We just finished eating, guys, and that was very delicious.
Thank you. We'll have to duplicate that.
Duplicate this one.
Pork chop.
Better than the last time.
Yes.
Hi guys, good morning. Mag-quick harvest lang kami ng mango kasi may nanghingi sa akin. Pero dalawa lang yung ibibigay ko. Kasi mabigat yung mangga namin eh. Ayan o, yung dito lang banda. Ayan, ilalagay natin sa package niya. Ayan. Sabay natin sa shipping. Buti na lang adjustable ito. We found this on the street, no?
Only the basket.
Ah, the basket only. Ayan oh, ang dami pa dito guys oh. Ibigay natin sa iba yung mga kaibigan natin na pupunta dito. Ay, mahinog na naman siya, darling oh. There's another ripe oh. Hala, I wonder how's the mango of Karen. Maybe there's a lot already.
Maybe they're all gone.
Maybe they're all gone because they like it, no? All the neighbors. Ayan, oh, pahinog na nga yan, oh. Pero we will get the ano lang, guys. The green ones. Oh. Ayun. Pwede na. Ay. Nakaikyas. Uy, ala, ang hinog. Nabunog, darling, ang hinog. Agoy. Hala ka. Kinain ng squirrel ito, darling, no?
What's happened?
Squirrel, look.
Yeah.
Sayang, oh. Grabe ka juicy, oh. Wow. Ano man ito, oy, ang aking camera? Wow, that's so heavy. Nahulog. It's so perfect, dear, no? Ayan, oh.
Threatened to cut down the tree.
Kasi, si John, he threatened it last year. Sabi niya, I will cut this tree. Sus, nangahug. I think I cannot give this.
Why?
It's already ripe. It will be ripe in 2 days. Oh, it's already, smushy. Maybe because it, I think that's enough. 2. Dalawa lang muna ibibigay ko, guys. Ayan. Ang pretty talaga niya. So pretty. Ayan.
This is good for you. Green on one side.
Aha. Lagay natin sa box. Okay. I'm not gonna wash it. Do I wash it?
You can.
Okay. Sobrang dami na ito, guys. Ay, no! No!
No good.
Why?
It's like mush. It's water inside.
Bakit mo itatapon ito? Itatapon ni Jan ang sobrang laki. Huy, tinapon niya ang mga magagandang mangga.
It
I don't
tastes
know why.
terrible.
This one is throwable.
No.
Because
Because I can cut that off. It's not even ripe yet.
right na eh.
Those other
Yeah,
ones are
well,
going to taste bad because they're overripe.
I don't believe you.
They're fermented.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa'yo. You can open.
Open which one?
This one, the one that you want to throw. Itatapon niya.
Oh, I already know what it looks like inside.
Don't be.
Yeah, it's going to have that.
Not because it's
It's
your
gonna have,
mango.
it's gonna have that dark looking spot in the middle.
Oh.
Huh? It's
Uh-huh.
gonna look
Very
like
dark. Wow.
I
dark.
don't like that. That tastes terrible.
Dark.
See?
It's dark.
It's all mushy.
So,
If you like that flavor, it
You don't
smells
like that?
Smells like a rotten mango.
Is that rotten to you guys? Wow.
He's just saying that.
No. No. Just one bite. Just one little bite. It's already not hard, but it's delicious. Really good. It's just that, it's over. Tama si Jan. You're right. It's mushy, but it's delicious. I think it's good for something else, dear. No?
Yes, but not for us.
What is
because
it?
We already have a yard
Shake?
full. Could be.
Hmm.
With your favorite sugar stick condensed milk.
Ay, tapon na lang natin. Jan is right. But for some, it's still good. I think it's better if you harvested it with still green.
Yes,
Like
definitely.
this one. Like this one. And don't wait too long, guys. Once it's start to feel so soft.
Yeah, the whole tree is ready to be picked.
Yep. So, kunti lang ang ibibigay natin. Two. Wow. It won't even close. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Uh-oh. Nagpapabigat. Mahal yung shipping nito kasi mabigat nga eh.
6 pounds.
$16. At dahil nag-order siya sa akin, bibigyan ulit natin siya ng free mango. Hi, Katie Province! Ow. Ayan. Mag-harvest ulit tayo ng mangga. Ang kinukuha lang ni John, guys, is yung nasa taas. John is picking the one on top. Very top. I cannot, dear, oh. Ang dami pala doon, dear. They're hiding, ha? You know?
They hide very well.
They hide very well.
You can pick the...
Ang dami na mga nahinog na nga sila, guys, eh. You know.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Want some mango?
Yeah, you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one. They're big.
Is that a green one?
Yeah, you want the green one? Or the ripe one?
Let me see. Alright, I prefer ripe ones. I can eat it now.
Okay. I'll give you a ripe one. I'll give you a ripe one. Yeah.
The house.
Oh, it's down the house.
This is a Florida mango, no?
Florida?
Yeah. Oh, this one, oh. But sorry, we poke it. Yeah.
Yes.
This one is ready, oh.
This one's ready.
This one's ready. This one.
Oh my goodness.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I think here, because the other one you poke it. So I just give it away. Okay, that's good. Wow! Yee! Maybe only two, dear. We give only two. Hala, grabe. Ang laki talaga niya, dear, no?
That's good.
No, get one more. I give it away. Tuwang-tuwa yung aming kapitbahay. Napadaan lang siya dito, ha? Tuwang-tuwa siya kasi binigyan namin. Sobrang laki nga naman, oh. Oh, parang halos kasing laki na ng mukha ko. Ayan. Kuha lang si Jan ng isa. Ay, it's already ripe. Wow! Maybe I can give it a kibler. Ayan. Ooh! Looks like it's bending, dear, ha? Your ano is bending. Hala, kalaki talaga niya, darling. As in. Oh! Wow! Dear, oh my God, I'm very happy with this. Oh,
Very large.
very large. Extra large na talaga ito. Ibigay natin ito mamaya kapag may makita ulit tayo. Okay, one more. Kasi green dapat ang ipapadala natin, guys, sa mga kaibigan natin na nag-order. Pero yung mga nanghihingi lang, ha, kasi yung iba kasi, guys, is hindi sila nanghihingi dahil marami din silang mangga. No, kagaya ng mga kapitbahay ko dito, hindi sila nanghihingi kasi marami din silang puno ng mangga sa kanila. Hopefully next year ulit. Ay, it's ripe again, dear, no?
That's ready to come down.
Ayan, oh. So ripe again. Don't get the ripe, dear.
They have to come out of the tree.
Ah, okay. O, sige. Ipamigay na lang natin.
Because otherwise, they land on the grass and kill the grass.
Ay, oo, tama, tama po.
So if I see them,
Okay, that's good. Ayan na. Oh, wow, ang laki.
for a minute.
Hi, Kitty Lovely. Hi, Kitty Province. Kitty Midnight. Come here. Ayan. Bring two. That one is forgive. This one is forgive also. Ay! Uy, 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 not in my white shirt. Ayan.
I can't believe how participating the kitties are.
Yep. Because they like to vlog also. Because I told them to vlog. Bigay natin kay Kibler ito mamaya. If Kibler comes here, we will give her. Ayan. Wow, grabe kalalaki. So, libre ito sa mga nag-order kay Johannes. Actually, ito yung nagpapamahal. This makes the shipping fee expensive. Pero it's okay because it's free. Hindi ko naman ito pinapabayaran sa inyo, guys. No, all you have to do is to just purchase whatever product I have. And then, this is for free na. Pero 1 and 2 lang ang ibibigay ko. We only giving 1 and 2 because it's very heavy. You're paying for the price.
Yes, and they're gonna be gone soon.
Exactly. So, kagaya ni Ma'am Erlinda Claire. Ayan. Ay, sige, just for fun daw, dear. For the 2. How many
It's
pounds?
4.5 pounds.
Wow. So, it's 1 kilo? Oh,
Yeah,
2.
more.
More.
2 kilos.
2 kilos. 4.5 pounds. Tignan natin, ha? 4.5 pounds, 2 kg. Grabe, dalawang manggala.
2 pounds, 3 ounces.
Wow. Wow. 2 kilograms na yan siya, darling. Imagine, dalawang mangga, 2 kilos. Wow. We can actually sell that next year. Do you know? If it's still good. Pero we usually give it away, no? We usually give it away to our friends. They heard John. John was threatening.
Gonna cut the tree down.
Aha. Talagang gihulga talaga ni John. Talagang nagbanta talaga siya ba? Binantaan niya ang buhay.
Plus, Eber took a big chunk out of it.
Ah, so maybe that's the...
Hard trim.
Oo, hard trim talaga ang ginawa. Natakot kasi binantaan. Ni John, pag hindi ka pa talaga namunga ng matino this year, tanggal ka sa akin, putol ka sa akin. Ayun, natakot. Takot na takot yung mangga. Binantaan ba naman ni John? Napuputulin. Hi guys. So, gumagawa lang ako dito ng label. And then, naloka ako sa ibang mga address kasi may mga apartment numbers sila. Hindi ko lang i-mention ha. Pero, hindi nila nilalagyan ng apartment number. So, kapag ka nagkamali ito at hindi ito nakarating sa destination, 4 pounds dear, problema ko na. So, make sure if you order something, guys, make sure to give me your correct information, correct details. Kasi, kayo rin. 'Di ba? Kasi, alam nga naman, perwisyo yan sa akin at perwisyo din yan sa inyo. So, again, please make sure na kapag nag-ano kayo, nag-order kayo sa akin, give the correct information. Kasi 3 na eh. Okay lang sana kung isa. 3 katao na talaga. I'm not sure if it will still arrive in the same building. Maybe there is like an officer or guard. They will just have it.
No, it'll probably get lost
It will get lost talaga.
because they're
Oo.
not deliverable.
It will say undeliverable. So again, sa mga nag-order, pakibigay po ng complete information po ninyo, no? Para wala tayong problema in the future. Hi guys, it's lunch time. And magchi-chicken tenders lang kami ni John. And French fry. French fry. Sauce ng aming chicken tenders. Lunch na. That was fast.
First in, first out.
With garlic. Ranch dressing. Perfect for everything. Chips, chicharon,
Everything.
chicken tenders. Salad. Dapat pang salad lang talaga to, naging universal dip. Hi guys! Good afternoon. Ay, nandito na pala yung mag-pick up ng ating mga boxes. Ayan, USPS.
17.
Mango for now.
You can put it here. Mango.
Oh, thank you. All right, I'll see you. John's gonna be here tomorrow.
We'll do it. Parsley, pepper.
Hits the spot. So delicious.
Hello guys, good afternoon. 5:44 PM na. And nagluto pala si John dito ng noodle soup. Ayan. So kakain lang tayo. I'm not sure kung nakapag-video siya nito kanina guys. Malalaman ko yun mamaya. Pag nag-edit ako. Ayan. Masama pa rin ang kanyang pakiramdam. Ganyan. Agoy, nagharahay ang kuan oh. Tignan nyo. Hayahay kay siya guys. Nagbilangkad pa. Kabati. Nakabati. Nakabati. Nakabati guys. Nakabati. Kabati. Asa man ang isa? Ha? Ano man kahiyahay kay kadiha? Dali na, dali. Sulod, sulod. Come here. Come here. Oh, tuan ang isa. Padung na. Come here. Aha, ikaw, magbilangkad ra kadiha. Hiwid-hiwid pa. Dali na, dali. Hi, welcome. Welcome. Malapit ko nang maubos, Ma'am Sally, itong binigay mo sa akin na pandesal. With cheese pala ito. Buti na lang hindi ko muna nilagay ito sa ref kasi mauubos ko lang din pala. Sabi ni Jen kasi pag nilagay ko to sa ref, sira siya. Hindi naman masira. Hindi na siya ganun kasarap kainin ba. Ayan. Tawagan ko yung family ko mamaya. Marami ako mga nababasa ba na mas maganda daw talaga kapag kasi Junri lang muna yung dadalhin ko dito sa US. Huwag na muna ako magpadalos-dalos ng desisyon.
Midnight, what are you doing here?
Lampay na niya si Midnight. Uy. You're so heavy. Night. Tapos na palang ma-ship lahat ng orders natin ng malong at saka dried fish. in 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, dahil sa mataas na demand ng dried fish, nag-order tayo and mamaya nag-reorder tayo and mamaya malalaman ko kung magkano yung isang box. Last time kasi is 20,000 pesos. 25 kilograms yun ha. Ang biggest box ng DHL, 20,000. Not sure kung same price pa din ngayon. Ngayon mahal yung gas. Marami kasi ang mga nag-order ng danggit at saka pusit. So, yun yung dadamihan natin. Siguro isang box ng danggit, 25 kilos ng danggit, 25 kilos ng pusit. At 25 kilos per per variety or per kind. Hi guys, I'm having dinner right now while editing my vlog for tonight. One day edit lang tayo guys. So, this is the famous John's Chicken Wings. Sobrang ganda. Ay, sobrang ganda. Masarap. It's crispy. It's yummy.
Wow, what's that softness touching my leg? Oh, it's midnight. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty midnight.
Pangatlo na to.
Hi, you. Oh, boy. Oh.
Sobrang sarap niya talaga.
Oh.
No rice ako tonight. Actually, the whole day no rice ako. Pero nag-ramen ako kanina.
No rice, just pasta in the soup.
Right, still carbo. But not much kasi I only eat a little. Gusto mo na naman lumabas? Ito mga pusa namin gusto pumasok pero pag nandito nasa loob gusto naman lumabas. Siguro mamaya mag-live ako sa collagen soap ko pag may time. Kasi mag-edit pa ako. Mag-upload. Baka uwi ako ng Pilipinas next month ulit guys kasi ang dami mga nag-order sa akin ng malong at saka dried fish. And inisip ko kapag iba DHL ko, DHL kasi is 20,000 plus. Kung 4 na box, 80,000. Kaya nang bayaran yung plane ticket ko. So, iniisip ko, uwi na lang siguro ako ulit ng Pilipinas. I'm thinking dear to go to Philippines and bring all the malong and dried fish instead of having it delivered here, because having it delivered here is $300 per box. Imagine that, and times 4 or times 5 boxes, it's gonna worth $1,500. So it's gonna cost the flight.
Yeah, the flight's gonna cost you more.
Yeah, because
you're missing the details. Your stay, your food, your this, your that.
Sabagay.
It's better if you can have it delivered.
Oo, no. Ayaw niya dyan na uuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Siguro birthday ko kasi matagal na ako hindi nakaka-birthday sa Pilipinas din. O tingnan natin. Kasi baka may plan kami ni Jan na mag-cruise kami on my birthday. Maybe we can go on a cruise on my birthday, no?
To Margaritaville, yes.
Hi! Okay, bye. You go on a cruise alone.
Not going on a cruise, there's no more money.
Ang money? No. Wala kami pera ron. Wala kasing sweldo. Sana walang mag-skip ng mga ads ko. Para may pang-travel pa rin kami dyan. Pero dito, makakapag-cruise ka na kahit $400 lang, $500, makakapag-cruise ka na. Hindi naman kailangan na malaking halaga para mag-cruise eh. Pero yung $400, basic lang yan, guys. Ano lang yan siya? Room. Food, yes. Kasama na rin yan. Buffet. Mm.
Hi.
Tama ka siguro. Maman, merinda. Oo.
Hi, Cheeto.
Ayun siya. Wow! Yung bagong member yung family namin.